Welcome to Curiosity, and today I'll be taking you to Ritchie Street and how we are going by metro from Guindy. This is a metro station from Guindy, and we're getting up to the top. There are two ways metro, and we're going to be going to the second platform for Ritchie Street. So, what is about the Ritchie Street? Ritchie Street is nothing but our Calcutta's Chadni market, where all kinds of electronic gadgets, computer, mobiles, and everything you will be finding. So, this is the platform one way, and we're going to be going towards the platform 2 right over there at the top. The notification is there. As we are on the escalator, we'll be able to see on one side the cars are moving on the road, and the other side we're going to be raising towards the platform. And as we are in the level of the platform, although our train is over there and we need to hurry a little to get into the train, and it's just opened. And yes, I hopped in. Yes, and as I can let you see that this is a completely ladies coach, and there are two dedicated coaches for ladies, one at the front and one at the last coach, and the midways are for the general categories. And this is a quite good pleasant system in Chennai Metro. As we're moving, we've been able to see the cars moving down the roads, and a part of the Chennai Metro is at the top and the other half is on underground. And the specialty thing is that in some of the stations we can be able to see two staged metro, that is at the basement level 1 there will be a metro on two-way side, and the basement level 2 there is a two-way metro to the different location. Well, this is a display. As we are moving, the display will be beeping and the number of stations will be coming is constant. So this is one of the very good thing that I have been able to see, that in the metro station there are two gates and all the metro stations are closed. There are two gates, one is the train and one is the platform gate. So as we are coming out of the metro station, so this is the view at the starting of the Ritchie Street. Well, this is a completely security system shop. Coming over here is making me remember walking down the lanes in Chadni market. And even over here also there is one more market that I discovered which resembles Hawk's Electronics of our Chadni market, where all kinds of robotics equipments are very much available. Here is also one more shop like that, which is named as Magic Shops. So what are the things that you can do over here are like computer servicing, mobile servicing, any parts you are in need of, from mobiles, LCD screen to laptops, keyboard, battery, charger, duplicate, anything, the similar kind of thing what you are in need of in Chadni market. So this is how the shops are over here. Well, if you are in need of any kind of emergency, you can come over here and repair your laptop as well as mobile. Even you can get cheap mobiles from over here, any of the shops. Either they will be having or they will be guiding you to go to a different shop. Well, talking over here was a little hideous at the first prior time, because most of them only understand Tamil, but as you are proceeding inside the market, few of them do understand Hindi also, so it might not be that much difficult for you to make them understand what you need for your electronics. Opposite to the Ritchie Street, there is a big government hospital, and you can come over here and get treated. So the mall, the Hindu newspaper office, a lot of many things are over here at Government Estate Metro Station. Now we are entering to go back to our destination. This is the seating area of the metro. Hope you have enjoyed the information and got help. Like bus, the metro is also having some keeping racks at the top. Display showing all the monetary transaction at the ticket counter.